Teacher Bonnie here with the topic My Street. For this video, we're going to talk about something that flies up in the sky. And by it, you can go to many, many countries. Guess it? Yup, it is the plane. Plane. For the word plane, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, but there are only 4 sounds. Plane. 4 sounds. Let's look at the word. Okay, there's Peter Puppy, Lucy Lamplight, Mr. A, Noisy Nick, and Silent Magic E. Here we can see it's a Silent Magic E story. So there's Silent Magic E at the end. He's shooting magic sparks over one letter and onto the vowel, making a vowel man appear. Here, Annie Apple has become Mr. A, saying his name, A. Okay. So the word is plane. Okay. Are you guys ready to spell it? Here we go. Nice. Very good. Okay, the answer is Plane. I should go online and start to book my next trip. Still have to think about it. See ya, guys.